Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on Node.js. As we have gone through few videos on Node.js recently, our first video was login form using Node.js, then previous video was login form using MongoDB. Today's video is really interesting. It is a login form using MySQL. So let us go through the programs in detail. First of all, I will show the HTML part, that is first of all which will be displayed when the server will start. This is login form in which username and password will be entered by the person. Then style.css. This is the designing part of the login form. You can change the design as you will like. Now the last part is vim app.js JavaScript file. Here all these part are drivers that needs to be loaded using npm install command. Then connection string, username root and database is SAM. Then session is established. The JSON file, in the sense I want to show the path where the files are located. Then get, in the sense first of all login form will be displayed. Then authentication, in the sense if the user exists then login form will be displayed, and if the user doesn't exist then it will display username and password incorrect. So that's all. And at home, if the user successfully log in, then username will be displayed, otherwise please log in. And port number by default 3000. Now I will show you the MySQL data. In MySQL, Sam is the user, Sam is password is, and Rohit. And so when I will execute, I will type the user which are exist, and also I will type the user which are not exist. Now I will start the web server by npm start. Yes. Now I will go to the browser. Localhost 3000. Yes. Login username is displayed. By the way, Sam123. Yes, welcome back. Sam means login exists. Now I will type Rohit 123. Yes, Rohit is there. Now I will type Amit. Now what we will see? Yes, it is telling incorrect username and password. So I successfully done with login form using with MySQL. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more videos on Python, Node.js, Java, C++. Thanks for watching.